Hi everyone, I'm Rajitha, working as Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Technology. Today, we're going to see about nature of environment in AI. AI environment, which are the external surrounding in which your intelligent agent operates. The environment defines what the agents can sense, how it can act, and what feedback it receives from its action. Understanding environment is essential because the quality of an AI agent decision depends heavily on the characteristic and constraints of the environment it interact with. This topic help us understand how agent perceives information, process it, and respond intelligently. So, what shapes AI behavior? So an environment includes everything outside the agent that affect its decision making. The agent collect observation through sensor, interpret the current state and consider possible action. The environment also provide feedback which guides learning and adaptation. The nature of the environment, its complexity, visibility, uncertainty, and structure determine how different the task is and what strategy AI must use to perform effectively. Understanding the environment is the first step toward designing efficient agent. Fully observable environment. In a fully observable environment, the agent has complete access to the entire state of the system at every moment. Since nothing is hidden, the agent can make highly accurate decision without guessing or estimating missing information. Classic examples include games like chess and tic-tac where all position and moves are visible because everything is known. Planning becomes straightforward, enabling precise strategies and optimal solution. Partially observable environment. Um, where the environment where the agent cannot view the entire state, so it must work with incomplete information. Limitations may be due to sensors, hidden variables, or changing surrounding. Agents compensate by using memory, probabilistic reasoning, or prediction techniques to infer what they cannot directly observe. Most real world systems, like driving a car, are partially observable, requiring agent to make decision even when some information is uncertain or missing. Deterministic with stochastic environment. Deterministic environment always produce the same outcome for a given action. There is no randomness, so the agent can plan perfectly with full confidence, like solving a puzzle or running a sorting algorithm. Stochastic environment, however, include uncertainty and probability. The same action can lead to different result depending on chance or external influence. Example, like weather prediction or stock market, require agent to analyze risk, handle variability, and make decision despite unpredictable outcomes. And static environment does not change while the agent is thinking or planning. This gives the agent enough time to analyze the situation without worrying about new development. Static environment simplify decision making because they don't require real-time monitoring or updates. Since nothing shifts during the evaluation, the agent can focus slowly on finding the best solution without tracking movement or responding instantly. And a dynamic environment change continuously while the agent is acting or deciding. This requires fast reaction, constant sensing, and frequent updates to the agent's understanding of the environment. In such cases, the agent must adapt in real world, adjusting its strategies as new uh, events occurs. Examples include traffic navigation, robotics occur, and live trading system where delays can lead to incorrect decision or failures. And discrete environment. Discrete environment have a limited number of states and action making them easier to analyze and model. Changes occur step by step. Like in turns or phrases, each state is clearly defined and transition are predictable. Board games, grid-based navigation, and turn-based puzzles are common examples because states are countable and neatly organized. Discrete environment allow agent to plan systematically and evaluate different path efficiently. And continuous environment involve infinite possible states such as speed, distance, or time values that change smoothly. Unlike discrete environment, transition happen gradually, requiring advanced sensing and precise computation. These environments closely represent real-world physical system where tiny changes in movement or timing matter. They are used in robotics, drones, self-driving car, and industrial automation, where accuracy and fluid motion are extremely important. And environment types at a glance. All environment categories fully observable with partially observable, deterministic with stochastic, statics with dynamic, and discrete with continuous. Each dimension affect how the agent precise information and choose action. The key takeaway is that no single AI technique works for every environment. The agent design must match the environment nature. Properly identifying these characteristics is crucial for building intelligent and adaptive system that can perform well in real world task. This is the mind map for AI environment. Thank you.